Happy Thanksgiving, friends. We have some Walgreens Black Friday stuff over here, and then Rite Aid. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I know a lot of you kind of new to shopping over at Rite Aid, so I'm going to go through this piece by piece, bite by bite, how to do some of these deals, including 3 really easy freebies with the Conair, the Russell Stofers, and the Baby Ruth. And there's other double dips that is just making this really fantastic. After everything's said and done, guys, I think I have just under $70 of bonus cash. I used 2 store cards, so I'm going to have $70 coming back to me. So they were massive money makers, and it's fantastic. I just want to take a special shout out to thank Ravi. He's amazing. He is, I think, on social media, one of the best Rite Aid shoppers. And this doesn't happen without his guidance. Like, he really points me in the right direction, and he's just a fantastic shopper, guys. And I thank him for his preview videos. It really got me in order to do these hauls. And I will link Ravi's video in the notes if you want to go give him a follow and get serious about shopping at Rite Aid. But this doesn't happen without him, because he really went above and beyond with his preview videos and just sharing his knowledge. And I mean, he's just fantastic. So follow Ravi, and thank you, Ravi, for helping me so much out with this Rite Aid stuff. I'm really busy with both Dollar General and Walgreens that I don't really get to go over there a lot, but the deals are on fire. Of all the 3 pharmacies, CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid is like #1 because there's so many double dips and hidden deals and all this stuff, and we'll talk about that in a quick second. Weather report for you guys. Well, it's a really nice Thanksgiving here in Michigan. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day, and our little kittens will be out and about when the turkey is ready, probably later this afternoon. And if you hear a bit of noise in the background, Mr. Kimono is making Thanksgiving dinner, or he's prepping some food, so that might be some chopping and stuff. So we'll talk about Rite Aid in a second. If you want to scrub the video to get the information, you know, scroll ahead. But we're going to talk about Walgreens first, because I know a lot of you show up on my channel just for the Walgreens deals. The first deal that we're going to talk about, guys, over at Walgreens is with the Burt's Bees. Now, on Shopkick, there was 1,000 points back when you bought the makeup wipes, and that since dropped down to 125. Are you kidding me? That's just nonsense and tomfoolery at its finest. So I just changed up my deal a little bit, where I grabbed 3 of these Vaselines. They are on a buy 2, get 1 for free. So I did not get the Burt's Bees makeup wipes, because if I don't have that rebate money, it's just a deal not worth doing. So these guys are $4.29, buy 2, get 1 for free. So that's $8.59. Now, I did get back 700 kicks from Shopkick, which is basically $2.60. Plus, I got back $1.50 in Walgreens cash. I had some sort of like special coupon that if I did a transaction where I bought one of these, I'd get back $1.50. And then coupons.com has a digital coupon that if I submit my receipt, I can get back $3 when I buy 2 of them. So I will get back $3 from the coupons.com app. That'll be sent back into a PayPal, which is okay. And then I also got back 200 points from the Fetch Rewards app. So after all of that magic, guys, it's $1.48 for the 3, or 49 cents per lotion, which is not a bad price point. Deal that we have is with the Cottonelle, and I was shocked to see that my store had a lot of like Lysol wipes, Cottonelle, all of that great stuff. This guy this week is $5.99. And then we have a $1 digital coupon, so it dropped it down to $4.99 for a product that's almost $9.98. I have no problem paying that. Take a look at these rolls. I mean, it's the kind of rolls that I like to have on my Thanksgiving table, toilet paper rolls. They're just impressive. $4.99 for that. I will pay that all day long. I have no problem. Okay, so the last deal that I have for you on camera is with these Hallmark cards. They are 99 cents each, so I grabbed 2 of them for $1.98. I had a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. That sadly did not come off. I mean, I can call customer service tomorrow and complain. Maybe that'll work, maybe it won't. If you might have that $2 off of one card, I understand that the $2 coupon or the $2 cards that are, you know, money holders, it'll come off perfectly for that. But a 2 off of 2, I could not make a deal happen. So sorry about that, guys. I made every effort to try, but it just did not work for me. Okay, the next couple deals, I personally didn't do them myself because they're a little bit too rich for me, but if this is something you want to get on someone's Christmas list or a little Merry Christmas to you, by all means. The first one is the Conair hair product, so a flat iron, curling iron, that sort of stuff, hair dryer, $14.99, $5 register reward when you buy one. As you can see, the one thing that interests me was the ceramic flat iron, and there it is, $14.99, $10 savings. Grabbing one of those, you would pay the $14.99 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $9.99. If you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, this next deal I didn't do as well because I'm kind of spoiled. The Skintimate shave cream is $2.99. That's part of their special, like, our Black Friday deals. There was a $2 manufacturer that showed up this morning. It's a manufacturer, that's not a Walgreens coupon, so you can't stack other coupons with it. So it would drop it down to 99 cents. 99 cents for either the Skintimate or Edge. That is your decision if you think that's a great price point, but I've been doing this forever, and 99 cents, I would cry if I had to pay that for shaving cream. So there you have this first deal. Just to show you, this is part of their ad for, you know, the 3-day sale from Thursday, Friday, Saturday for Black Friday. The Skintimate shave cream is $1.99, and there's going to be a $1 off coupon, making that guy 99 cents. And then the Edge and Skintimate that I just showed you, there's that $2 digital coupon. So load both, do both deals, or don't do either. It is your choice. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that these Bic pens, that sort of good stuff, we always get them for free or really cheap, especially back to school time. And to pay even 73 cents for 2 packs of pens, well, I would be in tears. But we have this guy, which is a 3 off of 2. So if you need this sort of stuff, by all means, go for it. Grabbing this on a buy one, get one 50% off, that's $3.73. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying 73 cents out of pocket for the 2, making it 36 cents per pack of pens. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and oh my gosh, this is where all the Black Friday steals and deals are happening. After everything is said and done, this was a massive, massive money maker for me today. Like, just off the charts, off the rails. How bonus cash works, guys, is that you earn it one day, and then the next day at 6 o'clock, so tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., all of my bonus cash will show up on my Rite Aid store card. So it takes 24 hours for it to pop up, but you can use it to earn more items that are producing bonus cash. So that's just absolutely fantastic. These deals are for the next 3 days, so it's right until Saturday. So I have a couple days to play with different, you know, math deals to make things happen. So the deal that we're going to talk about is with these Home Depot gift cards. As you guys know, my husband is renovating our basement right now, so this is something, win, lose, or draw, I was going to buy. So in one transaction, I grabbed 2 of them for $100. So I scanned my store card, the cashier scanned both of these, and then I had this guy. You can either have it like a screenshot from the ad, or if you might have this from the flyer. I got the cashier to scan this, and even though it says it does exclude gift cards, I thought, hey, why not? It's worth a scan, and the cashier had no problem. I knew I was probably not gonna get it. And to my shock and surprise, guys, I got back $35 of bonus cash. How this works is when you buy one, you're supposed to get back 10. So I would get back my 20 bucks. But also with this, it's $15 back when you buy 50. So I got this the one time. So I got back 15 plus 20, that's $35. Different store card. I'm like, I'm gonna just try this one more time just for, you know, something in giggles. This guy is, I got the cashier to scan my store card, and then I got her to scan this, and then I got her to scan this, and I had to pay $50 out of pocket, and then I got back $25 in bonus cash. $50 card, $25 back. That's a 50% return on investment. Do this at your own discretion because some stores probably will not let you scan this. My store did not have an issue with that. It might not work for you because I know other people on Instagram, because I posted this, people were saying it's just not working. So, you know, either give it a shot or don't do it at all. I was in this sort of situation that we're doing a pretty extensive home renovation. So $200 of Home Depot gift cards, even if I would only get $20 back, it's totally worth it for me. So it was just a little bit of extra bonus cash for me today, and I'm really shocked this worked. So I bought like 150 and then I got back. So that was really fantastic. This is my first haul, and I did this on 2 different store cards, and I had like $16 of bonus cash on this card, and then this one I had 30. This one I had to pay a little bit out of pocket, but this one I don't think I paid anything out of pocket, which is my favorite kind of shopping. I got 7 of the Colgate's Mac Fresh. With my gold discount, they're $3.03 each. So for 10 of them, or for 7 of them, that's $21.21. Out of the flyer found at the front of the store, you will clip 7 of these, or your store might just, you know, scan it 7 times, depending how they do things over there. I had to clip 7 at this one store I was visiting today, and there's a whole stack of them right at the front of the store with the ads, you know, when you walk in. So anyhow, 7 of those, and I know some stores probably will let you only do like a couple or maybe 4 or less. You probably know best, but I was able to do 7, which was really amazing. So 7 of those is $21.21. There's also a 50-cent coupon in last weekend's insert. Sadly, I don't have any insert coupons to pair with this, so that's just the way that it goes. I also got 2 of these 7th generations. It's a concentrated detergent. They are $10.99 each. So for 2 of them, that's $20.98. And to my surprise and delight, this is a hang tag coupon, which is $2 off. I was able to use 2 of them, which is great. I also got these little freebies in this basket. These are $3 each for these Conair brushes, and then you get back $3 in bonus cash, making it free. The limit for that is 2 per store card. And then these Russell Stover's peanut butters, 2 for $1, you get back $1 of bonus cash, making it free. Limit for that is 1. And then the Baby Ruths are 2 for $1. There was a quarter coupon, I think, in one of the October inserts, so it dropped it down to 50 cents for 2, and then I got $1 back of bonus cash. So for my basket, guys, of all of this stuff, that's a total of $50.19. I got the cashier to scan this. And then I presented 7 of these. Sorry, it's not focusing. I presented 7 of these $3 coupons. I had 2 25-cent coupons for the Baby Ruth, and then 2 of these hang tags. After all of that, my total was $24.69. And then I got back a $5 register reward for buying 2 of the 7th generation. Thank you to Ravi again for that one. I got back $10 in bonus cash, 5 for each of these 7th generations. I got back $2 of bonus cash, $1 for this, $1 for this, and then $6 back for buying 2 of these. And then I also got back my $15 for spending $50. So after everything was said and done, that's $38 of bonus cash, making this basket free, plus a $13.31 money maker. It does not get any better than that. This last basket that includes the 2 pink, the 2 comp seeds, these 3 freebies, and then 7 toothpastes. Just to go through the math again, the toothpaste, 7 of them is $21.21. And why I grabbed 7 of them, guys, is because the cash register will only accept 7 like coupons. So that's why. So 7 toothpaste, that's $21.21. These 2 comp seeds, they're $5 a piece, and I had this $5 coupon from a recent insert, so it made them completely for free. These vitamins are $9.58, so for 2 of them, it's $19.18. I had a $2.50 hang tag coupon, $1 for 2, $1 for 2, $6 for these 2. So the total for this whole basket was $58.39. I got the cashier to scan Old Faithful, and then I presented all of my coupons, and I paid $21.89 out of pocket. I had bonus cash on my card, a lot of it, so it covered all of that. And then I got back $33 in bonus cash. I got my $15 back for this. I got back $5 of bonus cash for this. Plus IBOTTA has a $2 rebate for that. These comp seeds, because they are the medium and mixed sizes, I got back $5 of bonus cash plus $10 back from IBOTTA, a $5 rebate back for each. And then I got back $1 for this, $1 for this, and $6 for these 2 freebies. So after everything is said and done, guys, this was free plus a $23.11 moneymaker. It does not get any better than that. And then tomorrow morning, I should have like, I think like 67 and 71 on my cards for all of this madness. And I will just find some other deals. I'm really gonna do this deal again because this is fantastic. And then I also found this guy on clearance for 20 cents. It was just a little Rite Aid bag, and I thought I'd serve something fancy for Thanksgiving. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you can concoct a deal that's $50, make it happen because these deals are just on fire. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.